Alpine stars. What is that? A devil? A diavol? I just call it devil. Ducati devil. Instead of diavol. Slow your booty down, dog! Trying to look all cool and speed up. Oh! I thought about getting a tank bag, but then Nimbus is gonna look ugly. Look at that bubble. Bubble booty. Bubble booty. It's a mini bubble booty though. It's not a thick bubble booty. Oh, there's that Dodge Viper guy I always tell you guys about. There he is right there. The bald guy, that's him. Seems cool. Seems more like a Harley guy. Bubble booty, bubble booty, bubble booty. Dude, look at that dude's windscreen. It's shaking like a mug. Fingers when he gets to the side. I think he knows me. He keeps looking like crazy. Does he know me? If he does, he gon' gets it. If he does, he gon' gets it. So much from me. Much from me. Moving slow. Much from me. Not back. I don't know how to act. Much from me. Much from me. Much from me. Moving slow. Much from me. I like it like that. Mode. I have to go sick. I gotta go sick on you guys. Well, I spin the booth. Come on, more riders, sports bikes. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I know that guy. He usually drives with a shotty, but he's super duper slow. All my riding buddies are gone and I'm lonely again. I guess today's Cadillac day. Saw 30 of them. That booty's stanky. Oh my god, what the hell is that smell? So going that Ferrari. You've probably seen a reverse camera. Going that way. Ah, it smells like Morocco. Ah, it smells like Morocco. You ever get that? Like you smell something and it smells like something? That's what it smells like right now. But going that way, the wind was cold. Coming this way, the wind is warm. Science! Sports bike riders and the popo, so hell no. I was gonna turn, but hell no. I want to follow somebody home. That's what I want to do. Oh my god, another Lambo. Other side of the road. There's too much traffic. We'll get one, don't worry. I saw it, don't worry. I knew he'd pull out too. You know why? Ask me why. Why, Sandy? How'd you know? Are you a mind reader? No. Can you see the future? I can't. His bumper on the front has been hit. Watch, he'll pull up. His bumper's been hit. Watch. Watch. Look at it. Do some road rage. I swear to God. Do some road rage. How about you? Let it go. Because we peaceful people, we let it go. You saw you trying to pull up on me and tell me it's my fault and then flick me off. You saw that you flicked me off. You saw his car, right? It was already hit before. Yeah, it's me driving wrong, yeah. It was kind of my fault to switch lanes, but still. She's senile. Old guy. Remember, it's never worth it when you're driving, because road rage and stuff like that. You never know who's gonna pull up on you and do stuff. Always just let it go. Adapt the sane way. It doesn't do anything bad. Well, people are douchebags. Problem with these supercars is they're all down low. They're super low. So whenever I'm passing by and I'm driving, it's really hard to see them. It's really hard to spot them. Because there could be one over there right now and I wouldn't be able to see it as well because it's so down low. Only thing that really helps is that they're always in these weird colors. These really exuberant colors. Finally a sports bike rider. Ducati! I think it was a 959. But on the other side of the road. I just came from there. Can you take a picture? He's trying to look like he's not doing anything. Suck my wang, dog. You just got toasted in front of your woman. Do whatever you want. You're not faster than the mess. Ooh, rider. Ooh, R6, I want to say. Tonight she's gonna ram you, not the other way around. Thinking you fast? You piece of crap. I'm playing. No trying to go faster than me. I think Nimbus has only gone against like 3 G-Wagons. That's the 4th one, I think. I'm not sure. Who knows? Nimbus knows, but she's mad at me. She won't speak to me because lately I've been I'm not showing her, not giving her attention or anything because I'm busy with my own thing. She doesn't understand. I gotta work now. I'm a working boy. I'm a working man. Working man boy. Working big booty man boy. She doesn't understand that. I don't know what to do. I'm riding her right now, but she's not giving me any love. No love. I love wood chippers. I know they massacre trees, but still. Something about them. The way they just destroy anything in their path. Throw all the CrossFitters in there. I'm joking. Thank you. She could barely walk in them heels, but she has to wear heels. Look at her. She's doing like the nasty version of the crip walk. Why wear it if you can't walk it? If you can't walk the walk, then come on. This looks like she's stomping each time she walks. Like Bigfoot. Jigsaw. Gun it, boy. Where's my Ferrari? Gun it, boy. Gun it. Who wears a hat in a convertible? Like a fedora kind of hat.